See, we were discussing that when the sun is above our head, that is at 12 o'clock, the sun has to be on the above the head. But what happens at afternoon 12 o'clock? Suppose if we take our country, see, I cannot write a very good map, but our country is something like this. Oh, okay, it became amoeba. Don't talk. Okay, Calcutta is here. In this place, at afternoon 12 o'clock, the sun will be above the head. So it is 12 o'clock. Okay. But the sun will take some more time to come here because sun will rise in the east and it will set in the west. So this is west. So the sun will be taking some more time to come towards this side, to come here. See, for that we can understand like this. Will the sunrise at same time in India, in America? No. It is with respect to the rotation of the earth. Means sun will be always here. Sun will be always here. And the globe has to keep on rotating. The earth has to rotate. Then only the time will change. Time will change. Means actually here the time will not be still 12 o'clock. If you take the afternoon 12 o'clock or you take any time, and if you take towards this side, see, these people will experience the sunrise earlier than the person who is in Mumbai. The person who is in northeast, that is Tripura, Mizoram, all those states, 7 states, northeastern 7 states, they will have earlier sunrise compared to Mumbai, and sun will set earlier when compared to Mumbai. So local apparent time refers to the actual time with respect to my location. This IST refers to the standard time. This is IST. When they give IST, you will just go with the standard time. We will not worry about that. But when they ask about the local apparent time, because I said that when the sun rises here, still it is early morning. We have not experienced the sunrise in Mumbai. Already they have the sunrise, and gradually the sun will come over the area like this. And when the sun moves like this, first they will experience the sunset, and later the sunset will be here. So if we take, there is a angle of more than 10 degrees from here to here. So for each degree, the time is 4 minutes, because for 1 hour we understood it is 15 degree of rotation. 15 degree of rotation. So for each degree of rotation, so and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 by 15, that will be 4 minutes. Difference will be there. For each degree of rotation of the earth, there will be a difference of 4 minutes. So we need to have one more formula to calculate what is LAT. LAT means actual local apparent time with respect to the IST.
Sir, voice is not clear.
Voice is not clear, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ
ಸರ್, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್.
ಈಗ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ನೋ,
ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನೂ?
ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೀನ್ ಒಬ್ಬಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೀಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ.
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೀಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಹೌದು, ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ವೈಫೈ ಅಥವಾ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Okay, by that time I will write the formula of to calculate the local apparent time. See, in the some textbooks you see it as local solar time, and in some textbooks you will see it as local solar time. LAT will be equal to local apparent time or local solar time will be equal to IST plus or minus, or I will just directly take minus longitude of standard time minus see the formula for this LAT. I think all of you can see on the board. LAT or local solar time will be equal to IST. IST means if it is in India, you take Indian Standard Time, because we are discussing in India, so we take it as Indian Standard Time, minus longitude of Standard Time. Means what is my Standard Time? Indian Standard Time. Alli the longitude is to that passes through Calcutta, and it is 82.5 degree, I said. See, sometimes that will be given in the problem. If it is not given in the problem, you must be aware that it, or at least they will give what is the time zone. Indian time zone is plus 530 hour. Plus 530 hour means that will be equal to 15 into 5.5. That will be 82.5 degree. Because for each hour we have tried to understand that our angle omega for 1 hour Earth will rotate by 15 degrees. So for 5 hours 30 minutes it will be 82.5 degree will be the longitude. And longitude of location for Pune they have given us 73.85. For Pune they have given us 73.85 plus equation of time correction. See, usually in the problem they will give what is the equation of time correction. Suppose if they are not given, don't worry, you can take it as 0, or you can assume it as some 3 minutes, 4 minutes. See, why this equation of time correction? See, what happens sometimes with respect to the location, and the sun will not be always in the equatorial plane. He will not be passing through the equatorial plane. Sometimes the sun will be in the northern hemisphere, sometimes sun will be in the southern hemisphere, and due to various other factors, there will be some error with respect to the LAT value, with respect to the IST, because these researchers who had done a lot of research on this solar system, they have found that there will be some error. So they have listed out there will be some equation of time correction will be there. So due to reflection, refraction of the sunbeam in the Earth atmosphere, everything will be there. Suppose if they have not given, don't worry, you can take it as 0, or you take it as some 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Don't take as 50 minutes. 50 means it will be 1 hour. Don't take that much. You take 0. So LAT will be equal to what they have given? 9 hours minus what is the longitude of standard time for India? It is Calcutta. That is 82.5 degree minus longitude of location. What is longitude of location? 73.85. 73.85 plus equation of time correction. as they are not given anything, I will take it as 0. So one more, I missed it here. 4 minutes into, while writing I will take minus 4 into so 9 over minus 82.5 minus 73.85, that is 8 degree 0.35 8.35 degree ಅಲ್ಲ 8.65 degree 4 into 8.65 degree plus 0 ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ
okay the answer will be equal to LEAT equal to 9 minus 32 33 34.6 minutes. This is 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So LAT will be equal to 8 hour 25.4 minutes. 8 hour 25.4 minutes or 8 hour 25 minutes. Some seconds will be there. Okay. And now you need to find out omega for this time. Okay, we will list out all the given data. Phi will be equal to 18.25 degree positive because it is northern hemisphere. Beta then given as 13 degree, gamma 0 degree, and delta we need to calculate. Delta will be equal to 23.45 into sine of 360 divided by 365 into 284 plus December 21st 355. So delta will be equal to 284. To find out what is delta, then omega will be equal to 360 into 12 hour minus 8 hour and therefore omega will be equal to okay, you give me the answer for delta and omega. Students, I'm also having some constraints here. See, I'm using only the very much limited part or the restricted part of the board because the camera can cover only that much. If you people are sitting in the classroom, we can use the entire board. Almost whatever you can see here, it is more than 2 times of that, maybe 2.5 times of that. Means I will be writing everything on the board, everything separately. Here, what is happening? I have to fill all the things in the same area, so it is completely. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, you give me the answer for delta and omega, and phi. After that, you calculate what is theta. ಯಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ನವೀನ ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಏನೋ ನಾಪತ್ತೆ ಆದ್ಯಪ್ಪ. ನವೀನ್ ಯಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅಕ್ಷತಾ okay, it's already 10:05. Okay, you calculate what is the delta, what is that omega, and also you calculate what is the value of theta, and give me the answer in the next class. Just give me the answer in the next class, and in the next class we'll move on to the next topic. You try to go through some of the problems and you try to solve by yourself. Once you try to solve by yourself, then only you will learn. So after making your attempt, if you face any problem in solving the problem, then talk to me. Else we will move to the next topic from the next class. Okay. Akshata, bante nama answer? Akshata, ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ answer? Okay, students, they may be experiencing some network problem. Anyway, it's time. You need to get ready for the next class. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Huh? Okay, thank you.